how did you go with Acehood? That's a big one for you.
That was great. That was great. I didn't make any announcement because basically I was just, I kind of doubted it, which is bad. But then, of course, such a call always makes you feel like it's like a prank or something. So I called my agents in the States who actually contacted me. That Acehood contacted, and I was like, because mostly.
So he made an approach.
Yeah, of course.
Acehood so hard. Obi aba comment we obi a post here dey we 5 years. Who ya ask my reply. Acehood. Asemi atwam. What the can crab reply say na or 25k USD beto account so na oye collabo oye ode. Atwam 5 years ago. Lovely fans of Poleeno Multimedia, Mediani Armstrong Poleeno are there. So won't follow your Instagram. Our phone said my family phone no. Neko Instagram. Nebo Poleeno_com. Poleeno_com. Ne follow your ho because videos ni be why the two YouTuber na the be so atu ho. E be also at 8 here intimi fan to hano. Ya the two Instagram. Ti follow your Poleeno_com. Na subscribe to channel we. Na click the bell notifications and be anytime you be post video biano you get it straight. When you say I had a YouTube urban channel a Africa into entertainment via for urban one day I will say yeah quick near the bro and send me elbow boba and I send me trendy a beef a ding and that's a free yeah DM a transu a call America a Acehood and I say and I can sack yeah me one of the biggest fan follow can sack what I say now and some elbow boba and say Acehood any Sarkodie track be a friend new guy. Yeah, oh you be our follow hip hop game now and I say or follow Sarkodie and I Acehood a winning we say new guy new man who did be brave about Ghana ha. E ma Sarkodie who can say enyum no otene baby na onya star call from the agent say Acehood more a contact and say on person me a track. And who say me brave Emma Acehood because say ono de one or two say 25k be USD abeton account me na collabo ne buy so na aye back and forth and some ne to atwa what you say you 2020 until like 5 years now until you na obi eko posti adibito Twitter ene say and o twere eto Twitter yen kan. But on a serious note, Sarkodie, seriously, you dey lie o. How can Acehood bail your agent, then you go feature on your track again? The track and oil into brackets, new guy. You at Sarkodie or target Sarkodie, then at Acehood also target Acehood. I know the babbler. So you want to say Acehood do a share na? Sake of you be Sarkodie and oil a question mark. And then all the video na Sarkodie editing eto wase. People posti Twitter on and Acehood so be reply and I was a lie. But I wish him well. And she say no and a coffee and say me breeze so by and boys and they say no. Say Acehood do cancer there you know and ya dream because say Sarkodie e followers chain who Acehood Twitter ho. On person much say Acehood followers I Twitter no. 1.2 million followers. No me say Sarkodie so followers Twitter ho no. 3.5 million followers. And who is big now? Saden go for we can I back and forth and go for agina Acehood so go for so agina Sarkodie so. When AMG Medical didn't tell me bone din no ha AMG Medical. AMG Medical how you say no so the bar Twitter no cherry. Being real, it's not just a word. Don't just say it. Say it 100%. Say AMG Medical kind. But case we know minim AMG Medical the end the normal post but go for say cha oye den on Sarkodie. It's a ensem bibra trend pie wo Twitter so what you say and see and some no there ye hu ne senga we 5 years asem there ekọ nti adenti na chese obi te ho a na oze mama meka bibi no one ti asa Sarkodie ekọ kan sa asem we nti sa na ho but you heard the Sarkodie so everybody can and I say the Ebekwakwesi but on the real no fanbase Sarkodie fanbase Sack Nation no I know a thing on Twitter on be so much say Acehood no cry no on ben Sarkodie because you heard numbers are Sarkodie kita Acehood and ben Sarkodie so no more de o mo kan on be so just Acehood Endru Sarkodie the big artist now. So I'll compare on Esuda. And all checking numbers, so I say numbers no the lie. And yes, I'm yes Sark Nation fan here, but numbers no the lie. Sarkodie were born a homo pa because a whole Esud though, a followers, what Twitter, 1.2 million followers. Na Sarkodie 3.5 million followers. Charlie, the gap is too huge. What has in the sack? I salute you, born a homo. But you know, the campus for the second verse and I know them. Ain't it? Take it to Africa. My people, they love you. I came here, you show me some love, and I promise to build you a statue. Anyway, Esuda Kwaba. And Sak is a hell of a nation. My signing with you, Kumase, my pimps, and Yadia will be here confirmation. Sak, what they say was sign Esudu Kumase or pimps. And Yadia will be here confirmation. Be a Charlie Bars and another. But I got over building a statue and no, my name is Sissy. Yantuaso. Sack me das. Eba. Wakwa jame. O de he Sarkodie force Esud. I'm an aketri. I mean, don't you like Sack? Hell man, Sack is a dope artist, man. Charlie won't forget him what the Sarkodie to the United States where they selling narcotics. Yeah. It's a pleasure. Into the okay. Sack me das Esuda Kwaba. And Sack is a hell of a nation. Sack me dase. I'm the new park in the project. Welcome to Poleeno, United States when they selling narcotics. It's pleasure, my nigga. Me back. Never less. We looking back. We look. It's just good grano. No, I say Osana Sarkodie be in your man big, but on the real no. We hoping say ye better because I say we dey ache. Me nim nipa krona Esud so hard. Obi aba comment we obi a post ade we atwam be 5 years. Who ya asema reply. Ah, Esud. Asemi atwam. O di kan kra be reply say na or 25k USD be beto account so na oye collabo oye ode. Atwam 5 years ago. Now obi a post ade a asema sa reply. But I wish him well. Now you wish him well, onim so o wish ni pakro well. Na obi aka asa na. Ene nka o comment no lie part nke hu hia. It's a lie na o twere no. Na hu hia, eso nim fa so we twere sa. Eno an say oh I wish him well. And I be a big up sack. No one say one hu dey aye no. Ene ntina boys ni so gina so say o crowd followers sa. Eno so dey o ye den asa ko dey followers a. E wo Instagram no. E do so chen wo dey no. Eno dey o ye den o pa akosoro bra form. Ene betene nyepe. Yo, my nigga, maybe you're not gonna hear what I'm saying. I just want to let you know, say, Sarkodie is having a lot of followers, so you need to humble to my nigga. You understand? And see, the and go fucking cano, Esud, me the, try because I was saying, man, just say, what the fucking man, what shit, man. You know, someone they sign your man, I'm not tired in Eka, Nanka, Ode, Abogu, but. On a more serious note, I think that a plus a Sarkodie and Esud a collabo. But yeah, change to say Sarkodie and Lil Tunch, the real goat, Lil Win, Kada, a bay track. So what I say, Mula baby, Charlie, and you wait come in to me in train because I know best. Tisak, so to me can or they say one or two you say I'm gonna afraid will say. Then you see, and guy hard and anchor. Like when I'm sure agents and anyway, why, what ain't me train, ain't the way. They tell you now, Sarkodie, one of the biggest artists in Ghana, whether you like it or not. Or born home was save game no from dying because it got to a time and not foreign tracks no. Especially the youth now no more pay hip hop no. Now Lewin money Bedman Soldier Boy my J boys na afa Kendrick Lamar but Sarkodie erasing him no omo attend game no what I say ama boys no e feel ye dey e feel say one shada cran say Lewin Musa I say obi a we follow on gidi and batter surface no nti Sarkodie abon ho modern yi pa and then wan ka Ghana happy pick what I say one kagan happy or the other no ko echire or the two fancy. What we hoping is a Sarkodie ni acehood and sense no to betwa na aboama year to year. But and we no class so a big opportunity ma Sarkodie. If say acehood a comment we ya obi su be hu whether the bad aspect or anything there is nothing like bad publicity in the industry, and I'm hoping say ebi kra by now or share no Drake ehu a opese oni Sarkodie so yanyom nti Drake ebe hate Sarkodie na bibia eto etwa nti Sack Nation minim say enche Drake ebe hate Sarkodie so agent na collabo no aba eno de ye friends ebeba live in Cali. If I just subscribe to the channel, Poleeno Multimedia YouTube channel, go to Instagram, Poleeno_com, and follow your host. Mediane Armstrong, Poleeno are there. Anytime be open content, bian, just come here, you get it. Any type of content be open, bian, braha, na ubenya na kama. Acehood and Sarkodie and sense no. Sana etie.
How did you go with acehood? That's a big one for you.
That was great. I didn't make any announcement because basically I was just, I kind of doubted it, which is bad. But then, of course, such a call always makes you feel like it's like a prank or something. So I got my agents in the States who actually contacted me, that acehood contacted, and I was like, because mostly.
So he made an approach.
Yeah, of course. Mostly happens the other way around when Africans try to get the attention of these people. Shatta only knew this from me because he's my friend, so he knew this from me.
That was a secret. I kept it. He told me,
So I kind of doubted it, so I never tweeted, I never said anything about it. And I think I'm at that point where things has to be done before you even talk about it. So then we even when everything was done and I had to move, I still wanted to get the song done.
Wow.
And then right from the studio, I saw a tweet from fans saying, "Oh, this is happening in Sarkodie and acehood." I was shocked. So in the car, we had to keep quiet for an hour, pointing fingers on who actually leaked the whole information.